Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reski Aditya Pratama Ramadan with student number A1M223107. Here I would like to present my research proposal entitled An Analysis of Students' Difficulties in Listening course at English Language Department of Halo University. Problem in understanding native speaker speech. Nah, first of all, I would explain my background research proposal. Listening is an important language skill. Listening is one of the four main language skills. Along with speaking, reading, and writing, it helps students understand spoken English, communicate with others, and improve their overall language ability. Good uh, language ability, good listening skill also supports speaking because students need to understand what they how hear before they can respond. Next, many students have difficulty understanding native speaker. Many students can understand English in textbook or from their teachers, but they often have difficulty understanding native speakers. This is because native speaker use natural English, which is different from the English students usually learn in the classroom. Next, there are pronunciation. Pronunciation is the way words are spoken. Native speakers often pronounce words differently from what students expect. As a result, students may know the word but cannot recognize it when they hear it. For example, want to uh, refers wanna, and did you refers did you. For the accent is the different way people pronounce English depending on where they come from. For example, American, British, Australian, and Canadian English have different accents. Next, there are fast speech. Native speakers usually speak quickly and connect words together. Because of this, students may not have enough time to understand each word or sentence. Last, these challenges affect listening comprehension. Because of problems with pronunciation, accent, and fast speech, students often have difficulty understanding the meaning of conversation or audio recordings. They may miss important information or misunderstand the speaker's message. As a result, their listening comprehension become weaker. Next, there are research questions. The first, this question is intended to find our kinds of difficulties students experience when listening to native speaker in the listening course. It focuses on the problems students face during the listening process. Research question 2. This question is intended to identify the factors that cause students listening difficulties such as pronunciation, accent, fast speech, limited vocabulary, and lack of listening practice. Next, there are research objectives. Uh, the first objective is to, ident- uh, to identify students' difficulties in understanding native speakers through audio in the learning course. The second objective is to analyze the factor causing those listening difficulties. And next, there are scope of the research. For the participants, English language education students who were who were enrolled in the 2025 academic year and focus pronunciation, accent, speaking rate, vocabulary, idioms, and cultural context. And next, there are research methodology. This research this research use a qualitative method and using descriptive design from Creswell 2014. The participants of the study are 20 students selected from English Language Education Department of Halo University who were enrolled in the 2025 academic year. Data collection and analyze. This study used to research instrument, a questionnaire, and interview. The questionnaire is used to collect information about students' listening difficulties, while interview provide more detailed explanation about their experience. For data analysis, the study follows four steps. First, data reduction to select relevant information. Second, data display to organize and present the data clearly. Third, conclusion drawing to answer the research question. Finally, triangulation is used to ensure the credibility and trustworthiness of the findings. Last Last I say, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.